As I understand it, you're unique in that you are not only a female founder in the CBD space, but you're a female grower, which I understand is quite rare in a male dominated market. Can you talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, that's definitely, like you said, a unique point about tonic. Something that's really amazing with CBD in the cannabis industry is that you're seeing a lot more female ran and female owned brands, but representation and the seats at the table are still kind of lacking are in the other parts of the supply chain, right? How the hemp is being grown, how the hemp is being extracted, how the products are being manufactured. When you think about it, you want diversity and representation in all those points, especially in growing and the actual making of the product, right? Because when you're thinking about it, what's the value of representation? What's the value of having, a diverse range of owners throughout a certain industry is to make sure that people are seen and heard with the products that are being made, right? That like the access is there, that relation is there, that you're actually understanding the person who you're making products for. And I think it's like it makes me just want to like bash my head against the wall. How many cannabis brands, especially, but wellness brands in general, really, they're so marketed towards women, even as far as women's sexual health products. You know what I mean? Like specifically for women, not just a little like hints at feminine marketing. Products specifically made for women being made by men. And nothing against men, just common sense. You want to make sure that there are women in the room making decisions on products for women. And I think cannabis and CBD has such a huge potential to really help women's health issues that have been so long kind of overlooked or misunderstood, endometriosis, all these different things that really traditional medicine has failed. You know what I mean? It really has, and cannabis holds such potential there. Like it can really start at the level of farming, at the kind of genetics that we're pushing forward, at the kind of products that we're developing in labs like Bardo Labs. This is really kind of where the rubber meets the road, and we want to be able to really make sure that not just women but people of color and all kind of minorities are able to step up and have a seat at this table, because right now we're seeing an industry being built from scratch, right? And we do have an opportunity to build it differently than most industries that we're familiar with today. So really making sure that it's not just surface level representation, but it's like really from the foundation, who is making these products, who has a say. It's just such important questions to ask. There's been a really amazing movement around supporting women growers, women manufacturers, Black growers, really making sure that we're accounting for this in cannabis, because like I said, we really do have an opportunity to do it differently. So I think we need to really like look at ourselves as consumers and ask the question, how can I make sure that I am supporting cannabis industry being built in a more socially responsible, ethical, and diversified way?